Hi there. One of the problems we had is that some of the websites we have to go to need Flash. And when we go to them, we might see something like this that says your Adobe Flash player is blocked. So what we want to do is we want to fix that. So I want to come up here to where there is my lock screen up by my web address. And if I click on that, there will be a pop-up that appears. If you notice, mine says my Flash is blocked. So one option is to go to it right here. If that's there for you, I would just switch to allow. If that didn't appear, if that wasn't listed there, you could go down here to Site Settings. Once you're in Site Settings, you can scroll down until you see Flash. You can see that I have Flash here and it says it's blocked. So I could allow. Now, what's going to happen when I go back to this is at the top it says I need to reload. So I take my cursor up here, I click on reload. It will reload it now that Flash is allowed, and you can see this is going to look different and now I have access. So that worked for this website, but that will also work for any website whenever Flash is blocked. Now, hopefully, you'll know how to unblock Flash so that you can have access to sites that you need.